don't be fooled. It's not all high seas and sailing fun. Fortunately, there's a lot of maintenance to do. Or fortunately, if you like doing maintenance. What happened was, the other night, we got woken up in the middle of the night by an alarm going off. Watch, hold on. Hear that? It was the gas alarm. It's very, very highly sensitive. It was a pilot alarm. Unfortunately, it can detect all kinds of gases. So, a rotten onion or garlic. Cleaning products can damage the filters and the sensor. Some farting, dog farts. My dog over here has just farted. That would be that would really set off. So what we had to do was the wires were going, sharing a fuse with the fridge. So we had to turn off the fridge for a few hours in the middle of the night and then go back to sleep. We turned off the gas, well, it wasn't gas. But today, that windy day, we decided to start investigating. So this is from the house bank, is it?
This is a house, yeah.
Yeah. Which is under the seat where you are, yeah. Yeah.
So you've turned that one off, which is the fridge.
Just
that
switch that one
has
off.
The alarm on.
Yeah. Put it on voltage.
What areas in here can't be touched?
Pretty much everything.
Okay.
At the moment, it's all live.
Yeah.
So it's voltage is good enough. There. You can see there's 13. It's only 13 volts we're talking about anyway. There's a lot of power behind it. So there's 13 volts outside, no volts outside, so that's shut. So if I turn that on, we'll hear it go beeping again. So that's clearly power on. 13 there, 13 there. Yeah.
Yep.
Off. Stop beeping. Nothing. Here. I think that is the sensor wire. But I could be wrong. I'm wrong.
Oh, okay.
So that spurs off somewhere else then.
Yeah. This is part of our marina activities, a little bit of fixing stuff, but sometimes we go out for a wander around, believe it or not. Make the most of the wind.
There's just a light. I'm about to switch
Here.
on, you'll see it.
There, this one here.
Yep.
See?
Yeah.
Yeah, that light up.
I reckon that's what that is.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
it's a little light one.
There's another little wire for each of the breakers.
Okay.
I mean, there are some fuses in here. But I don't know what's what.
Where would we go? We can go anywhere that you know. Could we travel through time?
Or maybe see France?
Or anywhere else naked ladies will dance? Could we fly in a booth?
Could we go?
The brown is the live on the boat, yeah?
Yeah. Well, no, you can't say that for sure.
Okay.
In fact, that one there has got a black bit wrapped around it, so that's the neutral. So that's the one coming from would be neutral, so it might still liven up and work to some degree without the neutral. Your nail. Pull the insulation off.
Oh shit.
Put a bit of wire.
Do you have a spare wire here? Hold on.
Solder without getting this hot
Yeah.
and shrinking in the wrong place.
Yeah. Have you got lots of space to slide it down? Oh.
I've made some more space, but yeah, hopefully
It's very.
well away.
You're fixing the clock.
Good.
Yeah. So you good with these? You good with that?
Yeah.
So you just need the hairdryer plugged in.
Right. It's fresh water. See there, look. See, there's water in there.
Sometimes we go to fix a problem, just like at home or at work, you sometimes find another one. What happened here is found some water. sitting somewhere which is normally dry. So obviously in a yacht it's all sealed. We do have through holes, but you'd know if they were broken because this boat would probably start sinking. So there's water is appearing inside the boat. So it's probably coming out the cold water tank, or because it's quite high. I mean, sometimes if it's down below, it comes out the chain lock when the waves go over the front, which happened 2 days ago. But here we think that when it was healing, we think it's coming out the water tank, which is the fresh water tank. So anyway, another thing to investigate. It's not a major thing, it's a very small amount, but there's always something going on. That's the fun of it. What fun. Boat life. Yeah.
A little bit, and then dripped in there. And so we've got some in there. The water that's dripped this side has gone into the sun.
Can you see more if I move this?
No, not really.
Okay.
I mean, it's the tank there.
Anyway, back to the sailing, and we get treated to something very, very special in a minute. You're gonna like it. Yeah, a bit more. Yeah, you're good. Fenders out. Oh shit, yeah, oh fuck. Oh god. Thanks. Thanks, Mary. The wind really picked up as we rounded to go down to Bradwell, gusting 29 knots, but we got the sail down and the ropes and the fenders out. Mary actually wasn't with us this time. She was on our voyage. She was on a day skipper course on a shanty 2 at Halberg Rassi with Mark and crew from Shearwater Sailing. She did pass and she had a great time. He's a great guy. And it's great to have them grab our ropes and be greeted by friendly faces. It's very, very muddy in Bradwell Marina, and it was a very low tide when we were there, so we had to close the sea cocks and stop the mud getting sucked into the fridge and the cooling systems for the engine. Tomorrow we'll be heading back to Harwich, which is the final video, with a shanty who'll be sailing alongside us with their crew and us on the Bowman 40. It's going to be great, but is it a race? Are two boats going in the same directions with two friends on who are really competitive having a race? We'll have to find out tomorrow. Keep walking, thank you.